Is it visible now?
Yeah, yes, I can see the screen now.
Okay, great.
Hello, sir.
Yes, is it visible now?
Yes, sir, it is visible.
Okay, good. So basically, we are in, of course, triangles chapter.
Yes, sir.
The thing is, next chapter's name is isosceles triangle. Okay. However, the content is same, which we are studying.
Yes.
So we will move on to the next chapter, but it's only the congruency which is being utilized. So basically, these two chapters are one and the same, only names are different. Okay, there is one thing which
Okay,
we
sir.
should see. So what is isosceles triangle?
So when two sides
Sir,
are
a
equal
triangle.
of two sides of a triangle.
When?
Two sides of a
Two sides of
triangle are equal, and
Sure.
like the bottom opposite angles are both equal.
Okay, right. So the thing is, there are two things which are involved in an isosceles triangle: sides and angles. Okay. What I want you to know is that the information equal sides, of course, opposite equal sides, is equivalent to equal angles. Okay.
On opposite sides.
Yes, of course. So if I say equal sides, then this information is enough to conclude that opposite angles are equal. Or if I say
Yes.
equal angles, then the opposite sides are equal. It is enough to find. I want you to see why this works. Okay. So we call it in a theorem, the statement of a theorem. In triangle ABC, which you see in the figure, you have AB is equal to AC. Show that angle B is equal to angle C. Right? That's what we use very heavily, no, in every question. So in this chapter, it gives the answer that why is that so? Can you think of a reason?
Sir, because they said isosceles triangles are like that.
Mhm. Okay.
So because the
See,
sides are the same, so it cannot be different from one another.
that's
Like
what.
if this is 60
Why
centimeter,
they
this should
cannot
also
be?
be 60 centimeter. Yeah, and if
But
we
then only it will
combine
be
those
equal.
both with the the base and the different like the distance between the base and the AC line is like the angle is always equal to the angle like B because
Mhm.
the both are same length.
Okay. Anybody else?
Sir, because
Sir,
when we
come to
add
your side first.
all of the angles,
One
it
by
should
one.
come up. Okay. So like no matter how much the top angle is, how much ever we expand the triangle, the bottom line it will always meet both of the same length sides, so they never change. Like when the
Yes, sir,
lengths
that
are
was the
same
same thing I was gonna say.
Okay. Yes.
and the baseline's length only changes, nothing else can change.
Kungal, you missed a point. The baseline should be a straight line.
Bruh.
Then only it'll be triangle, ra.
It's a triangle, what do you mean,
Okay. So see, that's what we want to learn in maths. That what is sufficient enough for what? Okay. Of course, our mind thinks in a way that if mind says something is logical, it is logical. There is no reason to explain why some things happen. For example, for mind, it is logical to say that every morning sun rises. Right? So mind never thinks why. Similarly, when water is poured on your head, mind says that it is logical that our head becomes wet. But in science, rather in general, the question of why only sun rises every morning? Why? What is it that makes our head wet? What is the property of water which makes us feel that it is wet? Okay. So answers to these questions of why are basically targets of the whole domain of science. So similarly, in this particular case, when I say opposite angles or when I say opposite sides are equal, for us, the mind says that opposite angles are equal. But why? For that why, we are giving an answer now using
Sir, your
our
voice is
common
lagging,
sense.
sir.
No, it's
No,
clear
it's
for us.
not.
For that question, we are trying to answer using our common sense as well as some construction. Okay, so let's see how it goes. So I am always
Sir, are you
free
there?
to.
Yeah,
Yes,
Yes.
you can hear me? No?
Yes,
sir,
sir.
we can
Yes, sir.
hear.
Yeah.
Yes.
So let's see how it works. When the sides are given to be equal, why is it angles are equal, the opposite angles? So I am free to drop a perpendicular from A to BC, right?
Midpoint.
So nobody can say that no, you can't do, because what is the reason then? So we drop a perpendicular, and I'm not saying I'm not going to find.
இல்ல, ஒரு class இல்ல, 2 class
Please
இருக்கும்
mute,
நினைக்கிறேன்.
ra.
நான் சொல்ல-
Okay, so that's how it is. Now I look into in triangle AMB and
Oh,
triangle.
so they both are congruent because of the RHS
Yes.
Oh,
rule.
they're okay.
Ah,
So angle AMB is equal to angle AMC. This is
Yes,
each
yes, sir.
90 degree. Then AB is equal to AC, which is given. Hypotenuse, and AM is
BM
equal to
equals B. Oh, okay, that's not given.
common.
What have you written? I
AM
am
is equal to
free to drop.
Sir, we can
Stop.
just simply use RHS, right, sir? It's easier in this
That's
case.
what RHS
I
is.
mean, how-
RHS implies that triangle AMB is congruent to triangle AMC,
Because the
and
hypotenuse is same.
CBC imply that angle B is equal to angle C. Okay, understandable?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Now
sir.
I'm going to tell you a very important thing. Listen carefully, okay? If you are able to get it, it is going
So
to
one
be with
second, sir.
you.
1 second, sir. I'll leave and join again. One second.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Finish the whole topic, sir, before you come.
He
You can
joined
hear
back.
me clearly?
We finished 2
Pankaj?
chapters, sir.
Okay. So are you ready?
No.
Yes,
So
sir.
the new
No.
chapter.
He's ready, sir. He's ready.
So he said to
Okay.
me, sir. He said no to me.
So see, if you are able to get this thing, it is going to be a very long friend of you, and it is going to help you a lot of places. Okay. See,
Yes, sir.
there is a structure in the world. Okay. There is a structure of information. Whenever you see a piece of information, that information is based on certain facts. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, those informations also are based on some other informations.
Yes, sir.
Likewise, everybody else is based on other informations. Okay.
It's like an
So it's a branch.
encapsulation.
It goes on everywhere. Now, you may say that it is where it ends and what is there at the end. Let me tell you that when you were a small kid, you are at this level. Okay, you are sufficient to you are okay to be satisfied at this level of reasoning. But when you
Older
grow
kid.
up,
Addition, multiplication, subtraction.
so
Everything.
old kid
3 boxes.
asks more detailed questions. And
We go from addition to subtraction.
as you grow older, your mind finds it difficult to accept everything just like anything. You want to know the reason behind it. So this is that important thing which I want you to tell. Understandable?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, for example, you you might have experienced it in your life also. There must be one thing always during any day that your mind will ask why. It could be anything, but there must be at least one thing every day where you will be asking why this thing happens. That time you remember that it is this branch diagram which you are basically following. Okay. So I will ask you, I'll tell you one story behind this. You know the name C.V. Raman,
Yes, sir. He's a popular mathematician.
mathematician? No.
No,
Sir, actually,
he's
I
a
always and every day wonder why we have only one games period, sir, in school.
bruh.
Come again?
So
I
he's
always
wondering
wonder
why
why.
we only have one games period, sir.
he was some like scientist
Yes.
back
So
in the
he was a
days.
scientist, of course. He was a scientist.
He was
And
a
do you know
scientist.
he was a very popular scientist of his times. And what made him famous?
Physics, right? He was
Bruh.
physicist, right?
Astronomy.
You know what
Astronomy.
happened?
Sorry, but
What
yes.
happened is that
Oh, okay, it's the
once
wrong game.
C.V. Raman was flying from one place to another, and you, of course, can see down the window of the plane. And if your plane is moving above water, above any river or above any ocean, what is the color of the ocean?
Blue.
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 So C.V. Raman
Blue.
asked why the color of sea is blue.
Then water is colorless.
And when you see a cup of water, a glass of water, it is white.
Colorless.
It doesn't have any color. So he asked why the
Sir,
color
sir,
of sea is blue.
because
Reflection of light.
sir, because the ocean is very deep and dense that once the
Oh,
light
that's not
passes through it, it can't come back out.
Of course, you could be right,
Yeah, that's what Tarun said.
but the thing is, the point is why I am telling you. I am telling you that all of this story, which is real, is part of this branch. Okay, you ask why something happens. Probably answers are there which have been discovered. Probably answers are not yet and they are invented. So it could be the value of your question, what you are going to ask, or it could be some grace of God that you look into one good, nice question. Understandable?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So moving further, let's see. So similarly, so I told you, right, that if I draw any triangle saying
Angle
two
two
sides
sides
are
are
equal, then the opposite angles are equal. And I told you that both of them are equivalent. So now in triangle ABC, I want to look in another way. Show that in triangle ABC, angle B is equal to angle C implies that AB is equal to AC. Can you
I
tell
have to show
how?
that AB is equal to AC.
Yes.
So we
You
have
are
to do the
given the,
same thing that you did before,
The
sir.
M, like
Prove they
the
both are
midpoint
Yes.
of
congruent.
B and C.
so which
Sir, we can
triangle
do
you
it
will
by
be choosing?
ASM. Sir, we can do it by SSA,
ABM
sir.
and ACM, which will be
SSA.
like a right
So
angle triangle. Right
as usual, we will drop a
Perpendicular
perpendicular.
line.
perpendicular
Prove they both
line.
are congruent. If they both are congruent, of course, both sides will be equal.
AB is equal to
Sir, can I
AC.
So
say? Can I say?
drop.
Can I say?
Yes,
I
please.
raise it. Sorry.
I raised my hand first.
Dividing the
Didn't raise your
triangle.
hand.
You didn't yet. Now only you're raising.
That's hard.
So
No,
in
it's fine. It's
triangle
fine.
AMC and triangle AMB, angle B is equal to angle C given. Or rather, I should have written angle C is equal to angle B.
Both are the same.
You have to
Yes,
show
sir.
that.
Because we're no, we first wrote triangle
We have
AMC,
to
so we should follow the same pattern.
Sir, we can do it like
A and
as
C is
a perpendicular is dividing the triangle ABC as ABM and AMC. We can say
yeah,
that
same circle.
BM and MC are same.
How?
So according
How?
to
Wait,
see, they,
how?
How?
they are same. M is the midpoint. It's
How do you know?
Okay, I'll answer that. Don't
It is the
worry.
midpoint. You are drawing a
You
perpendicular.
you have a very good question in mind, Sankan. Just give
It's
me
the
a minute.
answer, sir.
No, you can't just
We'll come to
say the
this.
M is the midpoint only because it's perpendicular.
AMC is congruent to triangle AMB,
A and
and
B.
CPCTC implies that
AB
AB
is
is
equal to
equal to
AC.
AC is equal to AB.
So wait, how did you say they both are okay? Nothing. Okay, nothing.
Okay. So now coming to your question, Sankan. So I have this line segment. Is it fine? So
yes.
let's call it D and F. And I have a point here. I want to drop a perpendicular from this. That's the
It
perpendicular.
won't be the midpoint.
So can you tell me that DM is equal to MF?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Sir, but why I am saying M is the midpoint is angle B is equal to angle C, sir. And as angle B is equal to angle C,
You didn't state that
this,
reason earlier.
Okay, go ahead.
and we draw and there's an angle A, sir. From that angle A, we drop two lines and we reach the line. We reach the line BC, sir. When we reach the line BC, it has two same angles. So that basically means A is in the middle of BC, right, sir?
You didn't state this reason earlier, and also to put it in simple
Okay,
words,
okay.
if angle B and angle
First
C
of
are equal,
all,
they intersect at the midpoint.
first of all, the thing is, Sankal, in geometry, mind gives a lot of thoughts. Okay? It is necessary to have a control over them and to understand that what is it which we are given. Using the given information, we can of course explore different directions, but using the given information, we must reach where we want to reach. Okay? So, do you get the point? Yeah?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Any other question?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
So let's do a question. The figure is like this.
Why do you still have your hand? Uncle?
Okay.
Because he
So
always
this
has
is
doubts.
A, B, C, D,
Yes, sir.
and we have A, B, C, 80 degrees. So this is A, this is B, this is C, and this is 80 degrees. And what we have is AB is equal to AC, DA is equal to DC, and AC bisects
Should
angle
we
A.
find ABC, sir? Should we find ABC?
Yeah,
Angle A. Find ABC.
this Uncle Panam just left. So.
Okay. So
Yes,
AB is
sir.
equal to
Done.
AC, and this is equal
Oh,
to this. So what is ABC?
oh, that's
Take a minute.
AB.
Yeah. 1 minute starts now.
Yes, sir. I'm done.
Hey, wait. I
Okay,
just
okay. He joined
joined.
late now. Okay, okay.
Yes,
so I found A.
Sir, A
All
means
ABC.
angle A.
Find all ABC. Small a, small
Sir,
b,
Yes,
A.
I'm
small c.
fine.
Oh, okay, then.
Wait, how do I find B and C?
You have to use your brain.
Bruh.
Sir, is ABC a isosceles triangle?
I don't know.
Oh my god, why are you asking that? Right? It's just
All
literally two lines
information
there.
is given.
How am I supposed to find B and C?
Hey, wait.
Sir, can I tell now?
No,
So I will
no,
tell A,
like,
sir. B and C, Kongo will tell, sir.
wait, let me say. Let me think. Sir, give me
Says
one
in
more
1
minute,
minute.
sir. Yeah.
Found it in 1 second.
I found A. I don't know how to find. B and C.
Okay. So
So can I
inputs.
tell?
Yeah.
Sir, A equals 20 degrees, sir. B equals 20 degrees. C equals 120 degrees. Sorry. C equals how much? It's 1 second, sir. For 140 degrees.
140 degrees.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. I don't know. So in triangle
What's B is equal to 20 degrees? Conclude.
ABC,
So we'll
we
explain.
have AB is equal to AC. So it means that opposite angles are same. So angle B is equal to angle ACB, which means angle ACB is
80
equal to
degrees
80
is equal
degrees.
to 80 degrees. And
This
since
is 80
180
degrees.
degrees is the everything, 180 minus
Now
160 is equal to
in triangle ABC again, sum of angles must be 180 degrees. So A plus 80 plus 80 is equal to 180. It means that
A
A
equals
is
20.
equal to 180 minus 160, 20 degrees. So A has come as 20 degrees. Now AC bisects angle A, that is given, right?
Yes, sir.
It
Bisects
means
means both
that
sides will be equal.
equally
A is
equally
equal to
divided.
B. That means B is also 20 degrees. So B comes as 20. Now in triangle ADC, DA is equal to DC. So isosceles triangle and opposite angles must be equal. So angle DAC must be equal to angle DCA, which means that angle DCA is equal to again 20 degrees. So this is 20. And in triangle ADC again, sum of angles must be 180 degrees. So 20 plus C plus 20 must be equal to 180 degrees. So
40.
C is 180 minus 40, 140. Understandable?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I genuinely didn't see that AD is equal to DC and AC is equal to AB, sir. So that's why I even asked this ABC and I
Given
didn't
in
expect.
two places. It's given both in the diagram and in the question.
So
Without reading that, what question did you read?
I just didn't read that A was bisected equally, sir. That's why I couldn't find it.
Bisect
It
means
was
equal
given in the
only.
question. Like, yeah, that's what I'm saying. A and B are
Okay,
equal. I
shall
didn't
we
confirm.
shall we see next question?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's see. So question is, this is a figure.
I'm gonna answer this.
In your
Yes, of
dreams.
course.
No way this is an okay.
So this A, B, C, D, this is A, B, C, and D. Given
AB and AC are CN.
AB is equal to BC,
Or
that
what?
means where is AB? AB is equal to BC, and AC is equal to CD. So AC is equal to CD. Prove that angle BAD divided by angle BAD divided by angle ADB is equal to 3. 1 minute starts now.
Okay, I get it.
Angle.
Relatively different type of question.
Yes.
Oh, sorry, sir. I
One
was
second,
looking at AD. I looked at ADB the wrong one, sir. I looked at it as B. I looked at it as CAD. Okay. Mm,
So you didn't even give one number, sir.
not required. You can do it. You can do it, sir.
No, sir, wait. I'm almost done. 1 second. Don't do. 2 more minutes.
Okay, all right.
Sir, I found it.
Yes, sir.
Okay, tell.
No, okay. No,
No, okay.
No.
this,
Okay, see how to
okay.
start with it. Let angle ADB is equal to x. Okay. So angle ADB we give the name as x. Now we have in triangle ACD, CA is equal to CD, right? It means that opposite side angles are same. So angle
Yes.
CAD is also x degrees, right?
X.
So this is x. Now what is
ACD.
again angle ACD?
Sir,
ACD
CDA
must
plus
be
ADC, sir.
Sir, ACD
180
should
minus
be
CDA
x
plus
plus x.
ACD.
Sir, I just
2x.
found it, sir. I just found it.
Yes. Sir.
You can't say it now. You already said.
No, I know.
This is 180
I
minus
wrong.
2x.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now,
X.
since BCD is a straight line,
Both angles will be equal to 180.
angle ACB plus angle ACD must be 180 degrees.
Yes, sir.
So, what will be angle ACB?
Y. Okay, let's not take it.
180 minus
180 minus
ACD.
180 minus.
ACD.
Yes, sir.
And we know what is ACD?
Yes, it's 180 minus 2x. And then 180 and 180 will cancel, and then CB will become 2x.
I did it
This is
slightly
2x.
different, sir.
We'll
Yes,
see.
sir.
This is 2x. In triangle ABC, BA is equal to BC. It means that opposite angles are same. So angle BAC must be equal to 2x.
So A
This is
angle is
2x,
B. Oh, yeah.
right? Okay. Now, what is
2x
angle
plus x,
BAD? Angle
3x.
BAD
BAD
is equal to
x.
This
Oh,
3
B
times
is
angle
3x.
angle BAC
ADC,
plus
ADB, sorry.
angle
3x.
CAD.
3A. 3x.
So this is 3x. What is angle ADB?
One or x.
X. Now you just have to find the ratio.
3x divided by x, and x will get cancelled. So 3 is 2.
Sir, sir,
Angle
sir, sir.
3.
I,
BAD divided by angle ADB is equal to 3x
3x.
divided by x,
X and x will
and this
cancel.
is just
3.
that's right.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any comments?
Yes.
No, sir.
Okay.
no,
No.
sir.
What comment,
Huh?
Okay, Congo, you did it in
Ideal
another way.
triangles. Yes, sir.
No, like it's the same method, sir. I just did it in different steps, sir.
All right.
Sir.
Let's see one more question.
Yes, sir.
One more. So we still have 20 minutes, sir.
Yeah, and after that they will teach.
But at a time, you can have only one question. No?
No, sir, you
You have
said
to
one more question. Just one more question.
quality
already-
over quantity.
Okay, let's see.
A thing will take us more than 10 minutes.
So the question looks like
We
this.
have 20 minutes.
Oh, yeah. And then the other 10 minutes is
Sir, give
explaining
us a
to us.
question, set a time limit, and exactly after that, don't let us do it, sir.
The 20 minutes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Time
No,
limit,
Yes.
that's a lot of
it's
minutes,
enough
sir.
for me to eat lunch.
Oh,
Actually,
you
yes.
take only that much time off.
In
Sir, is
school,
it
how much time do you
perpendicular?
take?
I take like
Wait,
40, 50
wait
minutes.
Okay,
for the
okay, be
question to
quiet,
be
be quiet, be
completed.
quiet, be quiet, be quiet, be quiet, be quiet, be quiet, be quiet.
Look who's saying that.
Yeah, look who's saying.
A, B, C, D, and E. Given D and E are midpoints of AB and AC.
Okay, sir.
So AB and BB are same, and AE and EC are same.
That means D and D is midpoint of AB, so this is same, and these are
And
same.
those two are same.
Okay.
So is AC
Show that.
isosceles triangle?
So show that BE is equal to CD.
So is ABC isosceles triangle?
AB
Is ABC is an isosceles triangle?
not necessary.
Is it?
In fact, nobody is isosceles triangle in this.
Okay.
Not yet.
Oh. Okay.
So for this question, I'll give you 2 minutes.
Oh,
Hard
that means
question.
it's tougher than the previous one.
Yeah, very hard.
Um, Say instead of drawing crisscross, you could have just drawn a straight line, right,
There's
sir?
a mistake in this question, sir.
Mm-hmm.
How? Uh-huh.
Sir,
Because Sankalp
because
is
you
not able to solve
said,
it.
shut up, sir, because BE like is perpendicular to AC, which may,
Who
am I
said?
right? Is it perpendicular?
No,
Is it perpendicular? Okay, it's
maybe.
not. Okay.
So can you draw it? Like, no, no, okay, nothing.
Huh?
Nothing, sir, nothing, nothing.
Sir, I just found something.
Okay, just a second. I think I missed an information. It is also given that
Yeah, I knew there was a mistake.
Bruh, no way.
my bad. Also given that AB is equal to AC.
Oh my god, sir.
You
So
have
all
to
of them are
show,
equal. So I'm done with the questions. Wait, am I?
then you have to show
Yeah.
that B is equal to CD.
It's very important thing, sir. Sir, can
Sir,
you just
this is
put
what
two
I
lines
asked
for
the
all of
difficult
them, sir?
hypothesis triangle.
Which two lines?
Sir, two lines for. You've put AD equals AB, DB, right, sir? Can you just put two for all of them? Yeah. Sir, no, like, you put two, right, sir? Two. For showing that they are same length, sir, you have put a line
Okay, just a second.
cutting that line.
How can you put that? Put three lines
They, like,
instead of.
Fine.
no,
No, sir. Like,
no, sir, I'm asking
no,
the.
sir. See. Sir, for
Yeah,
DA
you
and
can't put
DB,
that
you
line
put
to
two
make it like
lines.
same, da.
Hey, you don't
You
even
already put
understand what
one
I'm
and
saying.
two,
Sir,
da.
it's fine, sir.
Yeah.
No problem. Fine.
Hey, you asked
Kongwell,
that
I
line,
understand it. I
that
understand it.
crisscross line that you need to so indicate that both are same, right? That line we
Huh?
know.
What?
Like
So
the
yellow
line that you
lines
need
are
to show
equal.
both.
Yellow lines are
Yeah.
equal. That's what,
Ah,
right?
okay, so now it's fine. It's fine, sir. It's fine.
Sir, I don't get one thing, sir. Sir, when BA and AC are same and D and E are midpoints of
Excuse me. Yes,
both of those,
tell.
So can I draw a line to D and E, sir?
how can both of them be AD and
Sankalp is frozen.
So can I draw a line to D and E, sir?
Yeah, of course.
Will make my life much easier. So if I draw a line from D to E, will that make it parallel to B and C?
That you have to prove. If that is the case, then they become diagonals of uh, trapezium.
Oh, oh, I'm out to something.
Okay, I think.
Okay, let's see.
Sir,
Okay.
I figured out some bits, sir. Like
Sir, I
I
don't
can
Hey,
get
say,
one. I
Chumma.
had a
sir,
doubt.
when I drew a line with D to E, it'll make angle A a common for both
There's
angle.
already a
I
line
mean
to B
triangle.
to E.
Hey, shut up, da.
Sir, I don't
I
understand one
Hey,
thing in this
wait,
question.
if you don't understand, shut up. See, sir, if I drew a line to D to E, that makes a triangle ADE. So angle A will be common for both ADE and ABC. So when like angle D, when I drew like angle DE, see angle ADE will be equal to angle ABC because corresponding angles, and same goes for angle
How do you
AE.
know that DE is parallel to BC?
You said the yellow lines are like equal, right, sir? And
Yeah,
both are
so
midpoints.
So,
So the both midpoint should be equal to each other because the both the sides are equal,
no,
right?
no, 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 no.
there's nothing like that.
Sir,
Not
I
very
don't get
direct.
one thing in this question, sir.
Yeah, tell.
Sir, sir, like side AB and AC are same, right, sir?
Uh-huh.
And for AB and for AB the midpoint is D, and for AC the midpoint is C. Sir, this thing so when it divides the thing into two, how is DA and A is difference?
Exactly. You are very much right. That is
Sir,
what
like
we will. That is what we will also discover, and
So
we
they both
see
are
it in this
same,
way.
and the sir, that in that sense, AD and AE are
sir,
both
So,
same, right, sir? And
given
DB and
given
EC are both
AB is
same.
equal to AC, since D is the midpoint, AB can be written as twice of AD, and for AC, E is the midpoint, so twice of AE, and 2 cancels. It means that AD is equal to AE. So in fact, there should not be uh, two tick
can
marks.
you repeat again?
D is equal to AC, which is given. Now, D is the midpoint. Midpoint does what? It divides the length segment into two parts.
Equal.
So,
Yes, sir.
the length of AB can be written as twice of AD, AD plus AD.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, for AC, it can be written as twice of AE. So, 2
Sir, did you
cancels.
fully hear? Did you fully hear my doubt, sir?
Yeah,
Yeah,
that's what you were saying, no?
Okay, okay.
it says you. Okay, yes, sir.
Right?
Yeah, yes,
Right.
yes, sir. AD should be equal to AE.
Yeah. So AD is equal to AE, but still it doesn't give anything to show that BE is equal to CD, the diagonals, right? So how do we do
Sir,
that?
no, sir. You showed that AD is not equal to AE in the question. That's why
Where did you show that?
the lines are not same. The he gave
How do you
only
know
one
that?
line in
He
AD.
said the sides are same, so it must be same.
See, it's a way of saying something. I'm saying two informations. D and D are midpoints of AB and AC, and AB is equal to AC. I'm
Oh, we
just
have to
giving you
find
two
out.
information. You churn these informations and extract the useful things. This is what this extraction is doing. Understandable?
Yes, sir. You said that, sir. But you only mark that AE is equal to EC. You never mentioned that AE is
Hey,
equal
we
to
have to
AD.
find that out, Ra.
See, if I only do everything, what will you do? My
The
job is to
questions,
give
Ra.
questions. Okay. My job is to
Yes,
give
fine, sir.
questions. Yeah. See. So in
I get
triangle
it.
ACD and triangle ABE,
Okay, okay. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I got it, sir. I got it, sir. I got it.
so we have uh, angle A is equal to angle A, of course, common.
Yes, sir. I said that.
Sir, I'm done.
Then we
I did it
have
differently. I didn't even
AB
use
is
those
equal
both
to
triangles.
AC.
Shut your mouth.
AC is equal to AB,
So I'm winner.
right?
Yes,
I
And
sir.
got it
also we
first.
have AD is equal to AE. This was
Yes,
given, and this is from first. So what did we use?
yes, sir.
Side angle side.
Yes, sir.
It
Sir,
implies
the
that
angle, the angle D, whatever the
Okay,
midpoint
so if they
is,
both are same, okay.
that,
Oh, I did it different,
yeah,
sir.
Oh my
Oh my
so
god, why
god.
are you all so
CPCTP
The
yes,
stupid?
sir.
angle
implies
is
that CD must be equal to BE. That is what we wanted to show, right?
yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
So
Understandable?
this is exactly what I did, sir. This is exactly what I did.
Okay.
Exactly. Exactly. That is what is there in everybody's brains, uncle. But the point is how logically you write on paper. Okay?
How much you use your
Every
brain?
answer, every answer is in the brain, but it should be on paper, firstly. Okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. But Kongwell got it differently, so that's why I just said that.
Okay. Let's see one small question.
That's what he said about this question, sir. It's
Yes,
50,
sir.
sir. 10 minutes, sir.
He's gonna
Small
give. He's
question.
gonna give 3 minutes for the next one.
Yeah, because we have to solve it. No, there's only 5 more minutes.
After give us like 30 seconds. That's enough, I think.
Yeah, for this question, all 30 seconds enough. If you gave AB
Yada.
equals AC in the first.
Hey, if you use up 5 hours almost, you won't.
No, I would have figured it out.
Yeah, I
5
know.
hours is
No,
enough.
they know that I figured it out first. After that, only you did
No,
it.
I was on to
If
something.
Sankalp is smart, we all have to agree.
I
But only on Sankalp is the competitor. Yes, sir. It's the
What?
next question, sir.
Only for triangles, he's the competitor. Like, come
He is the only competitor.
to you.
No, for himself.
It's actually
So he
a very good
always
quote.
wins.
Yeah.
What?
You should always compete to yourself, not to dumb people like
I
me.
always win. What do I do?
I
I
also
know, right?
sometimes win.
I'll do
Why we
so
even
bad in
including Natish
JEE.
into this?
I
Hey,
do
I
so
won more
bad in
don't even
championships
have,
than
JEE
you.
first
You
time.
won one championship from physics, sir. That's it.
to. I mean, yeah,
One.
I didn't win two. I just secured my second my championship
Second
match.
place.
No,
Wow, very nice. Sir,
we
sir.
don't even have to talk about Tarun. I don't even know what he's doing here.
Tarun, are you even there, Tarun?
Yeah, I am.
Bruh.
Oh my god.
Oh my!
Golden words.
There's problem with my microphone. Makes
Bruh.
noises back if I'm
Then how
Okay,
can
all
we
right.
hear properly?
So
Yes,
I
sir.
I'm
can hear
going
you
to
clearly.
show you the question directly, and we'll see.
Or like in Google, sir.
Google. Jinx. You can't say the next answer.
Let's go. You're so good,
Let's go.
Natish.
Don't you dare say a word. I'll come punch you tomorrow if you say something.
He laughed. He laughed.
Okay.
He laughed.
Bruh.
Can you see the
I
question?
think that counts.
1 second, sir. Yes,
Oh,
sir.
no.
Sir, this is our textbook,
Yeah, I know. I mean, we know.
but red
What
color.
question?
Triangle. Sir, so there's no diagram, sir. It's tough
Triangle
to understand.
ABC. I'll draw this, sir, because there's no figure.
Sir, I don't like these type of questions, sir. Especially in geometry.
So most often
I don't like geometry
in
in
the
general.
geometry question, a question will be like this. You have to draw the figure on your own and then solve it. It will be given like the paragraph.
Sir, that's
And B
we
is
always
point
suffered with it last year.
on BC produced. What? I don't understand what B is. D is a point on BC produced DE. So D is the midpoint of BC.
D is a point
Okay,
on
okay,
BC
okay.
produced.
Where produced and it is perpendicular to BA. E is perpendicular to BA. Am I right?
The question is to draw the figure only. That's all.
Wait. So where did E come from?
D.
Where did
What
E
is
come
this?
from, sir? They didn't even mention that in the question.
What?
F also came, sir.
No, where did E and F come
Sir,
from?
E and F is never supposed to come in a triangle, sir. D is the final
But they
straw.
come. Not only E and F, G, H, I, J, K, all of them will also come.
Gamma,
That's
beta,
possible,
alpha, anything
sir,
can
but
come.
they never mentioned where E is, sir. Like at least location, like
Hey,
which
that's the
line it
point
is
of a
on.
question. It should not be easy. It should be challenging and tricky.
But it should be possible.
It's possible. Sir will do it.
Okay. I mean,
So
Okay,
you
I
are
get
going
it. I
to
get
find the
it.
diagram.
No, sir. No, sir. No, sir. I get it. I get it.
Can you show the diagram if you are done?
1 second, sir.
sir, like, I, okay.
One second, sir. I didn't even start drawing.
Sir, I
Go
got
on.
it,
Go
sir.
on. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Second,
One
sir.
second. I'm in the.
Okay, can you show?
Nearly got it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Wait, is E the midpoint of B and C? Oh, wait. Oh,
Maybe, maybe not.
E is perpendicular
Maybe
to
yes.
B. Okay, I can't see the. Ah, no, wait.
Okay, time is up.
Yes, sir. I'm
Wait,
almost done,
wait.
sir.
Yeah, I'm also almost done, sir.
Okay, time to verify. See, it should come like this.
Oh my God.
You had it
Oh
all
my.
along?
I drew the exact same figure, sir.
Sir, I got it like
Just
this,
No,
sir.
took me so
liar.
much time to draw.
Liar.
You want me to show?
Yeah, sure. You think I won't ask?
Yeah.
Sure,
No,
sure,
I mean,
sure.
I
Understandable.
have to screen share. I drew it digitally.
Hey,
He's gonna draw it now and show that.
I already drew.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Just
all
working
right
on
then.
it.
Yes, sir.
So what?
Sir, how did you even get B is okay? Let's see, sir. AB and AC are AB
The
is
point
equal
is
to
not
AC.
to prove. Point is to draw the diagram first.
Oh,
You
okay.
can
Okay.
certainly
BD
do that.
bisects EDF.
So take it as a homework and see whether it is possible to do or not.
Wait a minute, I want to copy the question, sir. The question.
Sir,
Yes,
I
Can you
don't
show the
get
question?
it.
So can you show the question and the
Sir,
diagram together, sir?
they said D is a point on BC, sir. Sir, but
Yeah.
it's not a point on BC. It's away from BC, sir. It's like
See the
somewhere out
complete
of the.
statement. D is a point on BC produced.
What
Can
does it
you
mean?
zoom it out a little bit, sir?
BC is extended till the point D.
Okay. What
It
does
is
produce?
perpendicular
Okay,
to-
produce mean extend. Sir, does produce
Ah.
mean extend?
That's gone.
Just. Sorry. Uh,
What textbook is this?
Sir, does
Is
produce
this-
mean
It's
extend?
the same textbook. They've just changed some things.
Oh.
Yes, sir.
But there's no chapter called isosceles triangles for us.
Yeah.
understandable to see the question.
Yes, sir.
What?
I'm solving it.
So take it as your homework and see it is possible or not. Okay.
Oh no, my pen spring is gone.
Okay then. All the best. See you next week.
Thank you,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Sir,
Thank
tomorrow,
you, sir.
Hey,
Bye,
before,
sir.
Tomorrow, sir.
hey, Nitish. Hey,
Sir,
Conquer,
we'll
can
see you
do
tomorrow,
it?
sir. There is extra classes, sir.
For me.
No, tomorrow we have.
Yeah, sir.
No, sir.
No,
sir,
not for
sir.
me.
It's not there.
Oh, biology and physics, sir.
Yeah, only biology and physics.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Next week we can see.
Bye.
So wait,
Thank you, sir.
is
Bye,
the
sir.
assignment gonna be on triangle, sir?
Yeah.
Okay,
Oh my
sir.
God.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.